Okay. Interesting. The whole thing. There's another one right here, Steve. Another unit.
Where does it go through to?
I have no idea. Okay. The carpet might be okay once you're done here, but
I don't think we plan on carpeting.
yeah, but it's gonna smell.
Yeah,
So you
the
get
carpeting's all gone.
okay. So I'm not gonna worry about it. You just get a company for the carpet. Got it. All right. I'll just take care of the walls and cabinets, and vanity and clean up. And if it's not gone in 2 days, then I'll take care of everything that they leave behind. You know. Wow. That's piss. I know. Okay. Wow. Okay, get rid of that. Right here. Gotta clean up and work on the walls. Alright. Yeah.
That's a water one.
Yeah. So I'll get an electrician for that because I don't think they're gonna get rid of it, do you? I don't think so. Okay.
Where the hell did it come from?
I don't know. I have no idea, and it's a big mess. Okay. So we have an idea on everything